So today let's focus on our understanding about what S3 bucket is. So S3 bucket in its pure form is just a type of bucketing services. So there are three types of storage system in a in a computer format. For example, when you are trying to store anything in a computer or maybe in a server, there are ways in which you can store things on a computer. The first is the elastic block storage, where you store anything on computer in a format of indexing or in a format without any proper or organized structure. That is where you store things in the form of elastic block storage. After the second type is the file system, is when you put a pen drive into the system. You can look into the system. The system looks like there are folders and there are documents. There is a particular structure, right? You create a new folder, and in the folder you create a new folder, and you save files in the particular folder. So this is a file format of saving the system. The third type to store data is in the format of bucketing system. That is where S3 comes along. S3 does not use a file system. It works on a key value pair basis. So everything, a bucket name is a global name. So no two names can overlap. You cannot save two buckets with the same name. And in that bucket, you need to store files. These files can be used with a delimiter, maybe a slash or a hashback, things like that. These are 63 characters that can be stored into the system. And there are some security policies that you can give to the system. So it's everything based on cloud specifically. And for understanding what this file system does on a security basis, the first thing that you need to understand is you have the coast grained control, the access control list, and you have the fine grained control. Coast grained control access who can read, who can write, who can view the particular file. It was established before Amazon put into IAM policies into place. So it still has some specific use cases to use it. And then we have the IAM permissions based on the who can access this particular bucket, based on who you can assign the permission, and their bucket level policies. If you want any cross access, a cross AWS access or cross account access to cross account to take place into the system. So in general, S3, to summarize, S3 is a bucketing service where you store data in the form of key value format. And then you have some kind of security policies aligned to it. It's very scalable. You can also host static website onto the platform.